Vodacom, our gracious host, for having us here. We were here last week for Spirit Day, and it's so great to see the Spirit of Kaiser Chiefs back here and how they're connecting with Vodacom. Our partner has wanted to be with us for 25 years, an incredible partnership. So thank you for having us and hosting us here. A big thank you to Betway for being here with us. Congratulations on being the league sponsor. And I think you can testify to the fact that football is in our blood. It's important because you can see the blood is flowing with so much energy here, and we're looking forward to the game over the weekend. So thank you very much, Mark, for you and your team being here. A big thank you, obviously, to our partners at Stadium Management. Thank you for being here. Today is about sharing logistics, giving the information to the supporters, making sure we have set the stage for them to come and have a great experience. And to our partners at JMPD, thank you, sir, for keeping us safe, managing the roads. I think our team are arriving safely after a big accident that was out here on the highway. So I'm glad to see that the coach and the players are here to join us. But really, very excited, glad to have Sundowns. Thank you so much. I think the great thing about today is also about football collaboration. You know, we've got games here, we know about the derby being a huge spectacle, but we know that this is a game that is just commanding the attention of all our supporters. And for us to be here today to say to them, we are going to have a spectacular day. I mean, I look at how the season has started. It's absolutely amazing. The country is on fire. I must say thank you to the Chiefs supporters who have shown their love for the game. Starting with the Toyota Cup, sold out days before. Going to our first game against Maruma Gallants, sold out days before. Proud of our supporters in Durban who have come out to say we love this team, but we love this game, we love this league. And Durban just sold out with the numbers that we put out. And we're looking forward to our supporters coming in great numbers over the weekend. Looking forward to Sundowns coming to our fortress to come and play and to come and support. So really just very proud to be here. Thank you to our hosts, as I said, and really look forward to a spectacular day. And really say to our supporters, let's come and share what the Amakhosi Spirit is about. A unified brand that is about building South African football and making sure that the game is stronger and stronger. And it's not only going to be about the 90 minutes. I know these coaches and these players are going to make it fantastic. We've seen how the league has started, but also to say to our supporters, a great match day experience. We'll be working closely with our partners at Stadium Management. We know we've got our season ticket holders. We also have a very exciting initiative that's been going, our family zone, and I must say thank you to the families who are coming, the tickets that are selling fast and quick in the family zone. And then to our corporate and hospitality partners, let's show that South African football is on another level. And to the media, thank you so much. You carry our message, you make sure that our supporters know what this game is about. And I just want to say thank you, and we look forward to a great day on Saturday.